This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's so great to have you joining me here in these online lessons. In this video, I'm going to go over an alternate tuning where we lower all the strings of the guitar. After I've gone over this tuning, we'll jam on a couple chord progressions so we can put it into context. We'll do that right along with bass and drums accompaniment. It's going to be great. This video accompanies Lesson 30 from my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 Method book. In the book, we'll be on page 198 as I explain this tuning and then as we jam together on songs 3 and 4. Okay, so up here on the board, I've got a little drawing that shows us the guitar, gives us sort of a reference point. We've got the standard tuning of E, A, D, G, B, and E. Now this works in reverse. Lowering all the strings equally works in reverse of a capo. So sometimes we'll put a capo on the fret on the guitar, somewhere on the guitar, and then we can use our standard chord shapes to play in a different position which transposes to a different key. Well, the same sort of thing happens here, only in reverse. So instead of putting a capo on, we're just going to lower the tuning of the guitar strings. Generally, this happens to two places. We lower everything by the distance of a half step or a minor second interval, which is the distance of one fret on the guitar. That would be going down to E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, B flat, and E flat, instead of playing E, A, D, G, B, and E. So we could lower it that way. It can also be done where we lower it by a whole step, so down to D, G, C, F, A, and D, which is what I've tuned the guitar here just in demonstration. So D, G, C, F, A, and D. You can hear that that sounds lower, but as far as the distance between each one of the strings, it has the same sound as it does when we're in standard tuning. So I can play my normal old chord shapes, and when I do, you're going to hear that they ring just a little lower. They sound a whole step lower, but we can just think of them in our normal key where we read them. So I can think, oh, I got my D shape, my C shape, my F shape, my G shape, and so on, and we can just read those in the chord progression like that. Now, you might think, can we tune the guitar down lower? Generally, no. We cannot tune this standard guitar down lower than going a half step or a whole step, and that's just because it can't handle it. When we loosen the tension on those strings, maybe if you got thicker strings, they could handle it, but then does the guitar handle that well? Those are the kinds of things to think about. If you want to go lower, then you really need a baritone guitar that's built for being in lower keys. But with our standard guitar, we can go down a whole step or a half step, and we get away with it. So that's how that works. We just lower each one of these strings by a half step or a whole step. I've gone ahead and lowered them by the whole step, so we get a real difference there when we go down to the D, G, C, F, A, and D, so we can really hear that, but you could do it with either one. But we're going to jam together on chord progression number 3 and 4 now. We'll do each one twice, first at a slower tempo and then a faster tempo, and we will just read it. When it says C, we'll play our C shape, A minor, we'll play our A minor shape, F, we'll play our F shape, and so on, but we're going to be in this transposed key. I'm just going to use that basic down, down, up, down, up strumming pattern, so it's nice and easy for 3 and 4. Of course, with number 4, you'll see a couple ways that it tells you to handle when there's 2 chords per bar, just doing that down, down, up option. But it's going to be as simple as that. Let's go ahead and play these together. Okay, awesome. In the next video, we're going to take a look at the open G tuning. So it's a great tuning. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at kristenbromley.com. Take care.